So you already know how to write a claim or thesis statement, and you already know how to write your introduction paragraph. So now it's time to focus on the body of your essay, your body paragraphs. We need to learn how to write a good body paragraph with good topic sentences. Okay, so today we're focusing on the body paragraphs, and there will be 3 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph should have a topic sentence that tells the main idea of what you're going to be writing about, a piece of evidence, which can be an example or a direct quote or a paraphrase. Just like in races, you need to explain or elaborate. And then you also need to give a conclusion sentence or a transition sentence into the next paragraph. So you will be writing 3 body paragraphs for your essay. The first thing in each body paragraph would be the topic sentence. It's basically the opening statement for your paragraph, so the reader can quickly figure out what the main idea of your paragraph is going to be. From your topic sentence, you'll move into an example, quote, or reason that shows the reader what you're trying to educate them about. After you provide the quote or the paraphrase, you need to explain your work like you do when you're writing a racist response. You also do this in math when your teacher tells you to show your work. If you don't do this part, your reader is going to wonder, so what? Why is that information important? You have to explain your evidence. Then you'll want to conclude your paragraph either by transitioning to the next idea or by restating the main idea of that paragraph without directly copying your topic sentence. All right, so in my earlier video, I gave you an imagined topic, which is better, cats or dogs? So this is an example body paragraph for that prompt. So my topic sentence is, dogs are better pets than cats because they help their owners exercise. So here, helping their owners exercise is the main idea for this entire paragraph. Then I need to have evidence. So I wrote a tag statement. According to a 2013 study published in the Washington Post, dog owners are more likely to engage in outdoor physical activity. So you can see that my quote relates to the main idea of exercise. And then I need to explain that quote in my own words. I need to show my work. A dog needs daily exercise. The owner who walks her dog also benefits from this. Daily exercise can help owners maintain their weight, strengthen their muscles and bones, and improve their mood. All of this is my own words showing the importance of how this piece of evidence matches the main idea of my topic sentence, which is about owners exercising. Then I need a conclusion sentence that's kind of going to wrap up that whole idea into one sentence before I move on. Walking and playing with their dog improves a dog owner's health. Okay, you can see that this green section, my explanation or my elaboration, is about the same length as both my topic sentence and my evidence combined, because this is where the majority of your grade comes from. Okay, you need to make sure that you explain or elaborate in your own words. Okay, so a good topic sentence is going to be a single sentence. It's going to convey the main idea of your paragraph. You want to make sure that your words are precise and that you're brief and clear. If you're writing an argumentative essay, your topic sentence should be one of the 3 reasons that are mentioned in your claim statement. If you're writing an informational essay, it should be one of the 3 reasons you mentioned in your thesis statement that you've already told the reader you're going to teach them about. Your evidence needs to relate to the main idea for that paragraph. We call this being on topic. It can be a quote taken directly from the text or a paraphrase, which is when you use mostly the same words as the text, but you might tweak them or change them around a bit so that they match your own words. Make sure your evidence supports the main idea for that paragraph. Okay, your explanation or your elaboration should be written in your own words. It should link the evidence you provided, either that paraphrase or that direct quote, to your topic sentence. How does that evidence relate to that main idea? It should link multiple examples together. And it should present the audience with thought-provoking information. Your explanation, like I said before, is where you show your work. It needs to be written in your own words. Transitions. Okay, this is either the conclusion sentence or it's the sentence that moves you out of one paragraph and introduces the next. Your conclusion sentence should either restate the main idea for that paragraph without being a direct copy of the topic sentence, or else it should logically link that paragraph to the one to come. Okay, so each of your paragraphs should link with one another. They should inform the reader of an additional point you're about to make in the next paragraph. It should lead to the next body paragraph. So now you've learned about the different aspects of a body paragraph, and now it's your turn to write your own.